today is, I don't know. I do have like two trees that are really giving me a hard time. They really give me a hard time. One of it has lots of flowers, I don't know, and the other one has lots of leaves. One has both. There are three actually, and I want to prune them. I want to cut them down. I don't know how I would. I did go to Home Depot in the morning and I tried to get something which would help me prune these trees, but they didn't have, the saws were very, very heavy. So I got something like a tree pruner that would help me trim the trees. I'm so tired of them and I can't take one single day with them. So I just want to get rid of them. I need them because of the location and they're in a good location. I love them, but they give me lots of work and I'm just tired of doing that too much work because of those trees. So I'm going to trim them. I'm going to shave those trees because I'm so tired. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I've been so excited. So I had, when I got the prune, the trick to use, unfortunately it's been raining all day, like I was not able to do it and it's still raining, unfortunately. So let me go. I did buy this, I don't know, and then I did get it from Home Depot and it's still raining. But guess what? I'm so determined. I really need to get rid of these trees, and it's raining. It's been windy all day. So, but I want to get rid of them. Unfortunately, let me see. I wish I had something that would help me hold my phone and still be recording. I'm alone, so that's why I can't do it. Let me first. Okay. This is it. What is it called? It's a hash. You see that? Yeah. This one is light. I can lift it. I can carry it. So I'm going to use it. And then I'll have to pull over here. I've never used it. Let me see. I'm going to figure out this. I wanted to go to YouTube to see how they use it. I'm like, I can. If I manage to assemble it, so I can do the rest. If I can assemble it, that's the hardest. I can do the rest. It's still raining. I wish I would turn my camera around and show you. It's still raining. So, I don't know. I wish I would show you how I'm going to do this. How do I show you without showing you? Oh, I know I have a long tripod. Let me see. I know I do have this one that's dangerously located, but I've not used it in a minute. Like you can see my consistencies. My consistency is problematic. That's a fact, but I don't know, maybe because I just don't want to be in a box. Today I feel like I need to record about this, and then tomorrow I'm like, oh no, that's not what I feel like, I need to change, or I'm just not still interested in that. So I keep changing my mind, my thoughts, and what I want to do. So let me see. Okay, I did find this tripod. Okay, I hope it will do what I need it to do for me. Let me seal it down. Let me glue it down. So I can just sit it somewhere, and then basically these are there's some big trees. I think I wanted to trim them before these leaves came back. Yes, but before these leaves came back, but right now they are here. I need to get rid of them. Let me see which one. There is that one over there. That one, big as it is, I need to get rid of it. There is that one. I can't be touching it. Oh, let me see. Oh, that one. So I have to point like that one right there. I need to get that one is more problematic. All right there. It's more problematic. I need to get rid of this. But there is this one right here. It's equally problematic. I need to get rid of them. I don't know if I can place this somewhere as we talk about this. Let me tell you, I don't know. Let me share something. I don't know when I did become a fan of football like that, but I am a big fan of football.